Hi there. Do you know what the properties of color are? Well, if you're new to color theory, you should learn about them so that you can manipulate color more effectively. The first property of color is hue. Basically, it's identifying the color. Think of it as the color's name. For example, red, blue, blue-violet, green, those are all hues, right? And in subtractive color theory, which is mixing pigments on a substrate, we have primary hues, we have secondary hues, and then we have tertiary hues, okay? So first set of colors, second set of colors you get when you mix your primaries, and then your third set of colors is your tertiary colors, and think of these as colors with two names like red, violet, yellow, orange, yellow, green, blue, green. So those are your tertiary colors, primary, secondary, tertiary hues, all right? Second property of color is value, and that just simply refers to how light or dark the color is. People confuse this property with the last property, which is intensity, because sometimes they associate a brighter color as being light, and it's not always the case. So if you look here, I added white to my color to tint it to make it lighter. All right. Here I added black to my color to shade it to make it darker. And then we're going to talk about the third property of color, which is intensity, and that simply refers to how bright or how muted the color is. We can neutralize colors or tone colors in two ways. We can add the colors complement. So red and green are complements, yellow and violet are complements, and blue and orange are complements. So you can add the complement to the color, or you can add gray to the color to tone it. And those are the properties of color: hue, value, intensity. A little side note about intensity. This property gets confusing because the value does change along with it. So if you have a color and you add light gray to it, it's gonna neutralize the color and then it'll make it lighter. But if you add dark gray to the color, it's gonna neutralize it and make it darker. So that's why intensity can get confusing or can be confused with value. I know, it's tricky stuff.